Now we've got our pasta rolled, we can cut it into our lasagna sheets. So with this we can be as regular as you want and make it as perfectly square or rectangular, or you can be a little bit more kind of rustic. And with the way that we've got this pasta, the end bit here tapers off quite a bit. So this end bit will be a bit more like a point. So if you're looking for the perfect presentation, then for sure take that into consideration. So what we can do is we want our sheets to be about 10 centimeters in length, and try and make them roughly the same size. It doesn't matter if they're not exactly the same size, but try and get them roughly the same size. So in fact we probably won't use this this end bit. We've got ourselves 4 really nice sheets here, and that's our lasagna sheets made. Now all that needs to be done for these is for us to pass these through some boiling water to cook them, and then construct our beautiful open lasagna. So that's coming up in the next video.